Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Chairman, this is a process that is going to deepen our democracy. Among for when we rise above petty partisanship, job parties and no any amanyo cool interest na ye pese pesu na ye penokre akadia. Chairman, I do not see why it is difficult to do a new register. And I have to accept say I'm compiling new register. Nedi kind. The BIC we want. In fact, I think the dictum is free, fair, transparent, and credible elections. And yes, sir. Now, these are not words that happen in the vacuum. Processes been a to acquaint and sign away this outcome. Processes ni bini any say, and one of the major processes ni say, ye benya electoral rule bia ye nyina ye gidi wom. And then edi gidi beba electoral rule no mo. Say sabi nkrofo a I often refer to illegals. Nkrofo a ense so omo wo register no so ye yi omo emfiri ho. Wa we Ghana ni we di mfie 18 and above. Sabi wadrimu either ho fine, even though the determination of that is yet to be established. But ye jitu say wadrimu either ho. Sound crofui omo say indeed omo ya Ghana for. Na ya tro mudi. Na yem ni problem about nipana omo tro mudi no ebi ya Ghana for ebi nya Ghana for ana nkrata na omo de be di adanse say ya Ghana for no ehum entwechi mabia
internet say electoral commission anamo etu no ofo so.
Chairman, so if there is a word stronger and more it me communicating my position clearer than before muswa enu na me use because this is in the interest of deepening our democracy. Because Chairman, what does anybody lose? Edie na manyoko no ebehwere say ekoye register fufro. I do not see near parties no ana amanyofo ebehwere as a result of producing a new register. Name what I see is having a credible register that can stand the test of time. Chairman, your assistance is a register, sir, and yet we still have issues with the register. Mijitu say we can't have a foolproof register. You try as much as possible to limit the irregularities on our register. No, Electoral Commission, Electoral Commission, Supreme Court, Eka say, uncrophobi at the register. No, so answer say omuwaso. Yenina yijitum, and yenina yijitum so say Electoral Commission was unable to delete some crofona electoral Supreme Court can say their presence on the register is illegal. Omantimi you omunyina enfrim. Nkrofo isu ebenya cars. Enti kwanya obefa so a cleaning register no, and to make sure say you don't have a repetition and a reproduction of the old register through a new exercise no. Niesa we say you have to find out the source documents na and approving citizenship ebi mudiko register no. Say beye fufuro ya emma problem eba ho no. Are we going to go back and use the same source documents? Because we are technically reproducing the old register through a new exercise. That would have amounted to waste of resources. Because say why you crank here. And Nuntina, even though I had issues with getting the voter ID card out of the list of documents over to me Ediabe Chireno. But when you listen and when you think about the implications of allowing some voter ID card now, the implications, in fact, one of the implications is that we'll be coming back to the same old register where you still have the same illegals on it.
Well, so we're going for a new one.
We are going for a new one.
And Shishena ECINO, are you happy with it?
And I am, like I said, I mean, Utie, maybe for the first time, say Electoral Commission, EDCI 91, ACO Parliament, say Yonko amend this ICI, no. And no, that is the CI that relates to voter registration. And some of the items now, omo amendino, affect documents are yetimi edico kyerɛ sɛ yɛ Ghana for no omoyi voter ID card efrim. If you hear that for the first time, your immediate reaction is say we dey na electoral commission but unya butre na wodi Ghana hodo analysis na ubehu say omo anya ne sana na nkrofo omo dey NHIS card eko register omo nya voter ID cards ni bi no so enu an say omo sa dey omo cards no beba. So the Supreme Court asked you to get them out of the register because their presence is illegal. Now as you yen san kofa voter ID card na yedi ma omo dada no omo fam embechre you would still register some crofo no bi. Until one year you register no kra ankeye. Until it makes a lot of sense to say that look, because of issues are eba and ye be you no efrimu. And I do not understand why people are jumping over themselves, making all kinds of noise about the elimination of voter ID card no, as one of the documents that establish citizenship. Knowing truly well say, who ba asem Supreme Court cracker say, ebi mo wa omo kita sa cards no, and they are holding of those cards no illegal. And we want a credible register, yet we want illegal registrants on the register. If you want a clean, credible register, let's just say what it means is you must try very hard to get rid of uncrophobia sebi and say so more reason so. Efrim and Supreme Court, the highest court of the land, Eka say uncrophobia wa omukita voter ID card, but our voter ID card no is invalid. Because the very minute you are declared illegal on the register, it means your card is illegal, is invalid. And yet we cannot tell whose card is invalid and whose card is valid. Me wa. Kita voter ID card pepe. Nothing shows say yen throw a card no say NHIS card holder need any way or you see birth certificate. Yen to me who say I didn't know so. Until we all come. But the electoral commission said be omunya magician so. No maka say why would the card we buy and would the NHIS card and register and TN register confirm before for Brad? Debbie. So the best way is say outlaw the use of voter ID card no as a way to prove your citizenship. It's that simple. Now in Shishaya Electoral Commission, me so far, apart from the pettiness of partisanship, I characterize some of the debates no. I do not see anything fundamentally wrong with so far share Mayano.
You're happy with it so far?
Chairman, I am pleased at this point with Omo preparations, no. But every process to say voter registration, no, you can't expect some challenges. It is so with every electoral process. Yet me can say be finchim ye be sha see akwiwe without challenges. But those challenges only help to make our systems better. But yen shasi ama yen who challenges no. If we see people are already anticipating challenges and are already condemning the process before it could even begin. Say NIA omuni isi for no abo mutrimu po say ombe wi elections na mobi enti omu ye NIA registration no omu share that say regions bi wa omu duru an omu share that my equipment na say omu duru regions bi a na equipment na ye midwun wa mintiase and chairman why if you are recording low registration turnout in some of the regions we should be blaming it on the NDC.
Are
they came out to say so all their members should not go and register. Mudi kan obi wa oti first one second one no. So the person is young crop visit my register na a trick. And also register. You get low number. Then you turn around and say NIA muna manya ni ye until the numbers no low no. For all you know your comments, your initial comments say maybe mun register no. And no accounting for low numbers.
But anyway, somebody is because Supreme Court into let's see how it pans out.
Chairman, this is something they should have done earlier. But me wajidi in the Supreme Court, and this is how our democracy ought to operate. Say when you be nyadring, efam rabi huwa, you go to vindicate rights or claims against Nipano in the court of law. But to be threatening violence, say insulting electoral commission, going to their meeting grounds, attempting to disrupt their meetings, issuing all kinds of threats and so on, because at the end of the day, Sebi, uko surba forma, Mranoma electoral commission to me so much. It like the one of your texters. I think the name is Jerry. There are only two options involved.
Jerry
in
and
this.
Professor Sabatier.
If you are opposed to this process, there are only two options open to you:
stay home or get locked up.
This FM 104.3. Who to meet?